So I just wanted to answer a question that I got through from a few people regarding the detoxed masterclasses, the colon, the liver, and the parasite cleanse and the actual bundle. Hey, darling. She's going to join us. Kelly's going to join us for this. That question was, Ryan, will I have to take time off work to do these cleanses? Or I need to be near a toilet, or should I be at home? So in answer to that, with the parasite one, not really. There'll be a few days where you may need to be at home and relax, but it's going to be a 30-day process, and there will be days that you'll know when and as and when you'll need to be at home or relax or near a toilet. But when it comes to the liver and the colon cleanse, the liver cleansing, you're probably in the mornings, you need to be near a toilet. The colon cleanse, then I would definitely recommend being somewhere where you can be relaxed at home over the 5-day period. Now, firstly, I'd say lots of people will spend a weekend, a week, 2 weeks going away on holiday, all you can eat all inclusive is what I was looking for, holidays, eating what they want, drinking what they want, etc., and think nothing of it. But when it comes to their health, they won't put 5 days aside for it, and that's something I really want you to get used to. Giving that time that you would spend doing other things, partying, whatever it may be, and actually focusing that on your health. If you can't spend 5 days for your health, then it's time that we really looked at what we value. Secondly, this is lifetime access to the masterclasses. Like everything I'm teaching you, the new protocols, the practices we'll be going through, and I'm going to be going deeper into that, because I want you to understand that there's very few people on the planet who are actually teaching these protocols right now. These are new and advanced protocols, but you get lifetime access to them. So if the dates that we're doing these doesn't work for you, you can do them whenever you want. And they're things that I would say, I highly recommend you clean your colon at least 2 to 3 times a year, and you can do that through a month, and you can do your liver through a month, and you can do parasites through 30 to 60 days. And so whether you do them when the programs come out, the masterclasses come out, or whether you do them at another time, that's up to you, because when you have lifetime access, obviously you've got access to them whenever you want to do them. So hopefully that answers the question, guys. And yeah, any other questions, I may just put a little box up and say that any questions I'll get to them, but I'll be posting more about it, and especially because we'll be doing the colon cleanse first, why it's so important to clean your colon. If you don't remember when I did it in the summer, the amount of mucoid plaque that come out, I'll even show you some pictures, and that is in all of us, and I'll go deeper into that and why that is. Anyway, I hope that helps, and I'll speak to you soon.